I've completely stripped down this 13 amp socket. It's quite a few years old. The number on the unit itself is a 14W22. Now I don't know what type that is. It also has the BS number of 1363, which is going to be the standard for this particular 13 amp socket. But of course it does have lots and lots of different types. If you open up a new one, you'll probably find there's a lot less bits inside. This one has a heck of a lot of items. So if you have one that you want to fix up and you're not sure exactly where everything goes, at least this will help you. Hopefully you can work out exactly which make and model it is. Unfortunately I can't, but I will be doing this more frequently, and so you hopefully be able to find one that will correlate to the exact one you got, so at least you can work out where all the bits go if it happens to fall apart. So anyway, I'll leave it now. I'll just let you watch where all the bits where I've removed them, and you can then check to see where they go back if you need to check. I'm not going to put this back together. They're so cheap these days. I suppose the only reason why you would fix it up is if there's an emergency, or if you want to stick to the same look of the 13 amp socket. So now I'm going to put all the bits there so you can see exactly where they are. So thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And I do have more DIY videos on my channel.